set up my new travel bag with me. Hey guys, how's everyone doing? My name is Bhairavi. Welcome back to my channel. My channel is My Indian Life because I'm an Indian and I travel for a living. Have been doing so for 10 years. I'm a cabin crew. If you did not know, I have a whole playlist called Cabin Crew 101 where I talk all about this and more. So make sure to check out that. Subscribe to this channel if you're interested in, what do cabin crew live like? I used to do a lot more videos on the topic, but I've calmed down a bit. But here I am with my new bag and I was excited, so I thought I'll make this video. I am in India right now, hence why I'm wearing this beautiful suit from Biba. Not sponsored. I wish this was sponsored, but yeah, I'm feeling myself love it because now I live in Singapore, so I don't get to wear this often because it's very, very hot there. But thanks to Ahmedabad, I'm wearing this. So we need to buy our own bag here, and okay, it's a science to buy a travel bag. You might just buy it for like a tour, as a tourist purpose. You might be like, that looks nice, let's take it. No, for me, I have special colors that I need to buy and everything, so because of the colors that are allowed. So I bought this one because I usually have another bag that I keep on top, which is also blue, so it'll match, which I love. And this bag is from American Tourister. Collection is Kami Length, I don't know. It's originally for 7,900 rupees, but this had 55% off on this, so it just costed me 3,500. It's an 8-wheeler. That's what it looks like, and basically I can just do this with it and I can just travel like this with it instead of dragging it. And if you're planning to travel abroad, I would highly recommend investing in a 4-wheel or an 8-wheeler because the airports there are so big you can't drag this around. Your arm and back is going to be tired. So have a 4-wheeler so you can do this situation. Also, when you're buying a bag, guys, this is a tip, this needs to be thick because when your bag is heavy, right, it won't drag easily and this will break. So these need to be thick, and as you can see, this is quite thick. And then the wheels need to be strong. See, the wheels are thick. Again, it's an 8-wheel. Otherwise, your bag will fall. Once it's full, your bag will fall. I bought a big bag which would just fall. I bought that one from Big Bazaar. The brand is called Prince. It kept falling, which was very annoying. So these are a few tips anyway. So let's pack my bag with me and I'll show you guys what I pack in this. I also love that this had this pocket in front. This is just an ad for American Tourister at this point. Can you sponsor me, American Tourister? I love this pocket. So you can put your travel documents or something that you need like urgently at the airport. Here you don't need to open everything. Then everybody's seeing your underwear and how many t-shirts you packed. So this is nice. I like this. And earlier I had a bag which when you open, both sides are compartments. But I feel that kind of makes it remove some of the space. So this time around, I bought a bag with just a single flap. I feel like I'll get more space over here. It's quite thick. And also, make sure to get a cloth bag because you can extend it. Because even if I put a lot of things, it'll just expand. Speaking of expanding, it also has an expanding pocket over here. So if you buy a bag like it expands. So if you buy a bag like this, I feel like it's gonna be good. I have a good feeling about this. So let's pack it. I always have a formal dress in my bag in case I need to travel as a passenger suddenly because of whatever reasons. Ever since COVID, I still have the N95 mask and just a regular mask just in case things come back and we need to wear masks for work and stuff. I have my travel medicine pouch. This has everything from Boroplus to lozenges if your throat is a bit scratchy, to Band-Aid, to ORS. Trust me, I've needed this multiple times. Oh, what's this? This is the Prince bag. Okay. I have paracetamol. I have vitamin C from US. This is amazing, by the way. I have heat patches. Loads of stuff. So I always have to have this. My earlier bag cracked, by the way. It was a metallic bag from outside and it just cracked. And I never gave that in the cargo, so I don't know how that cracked, but cloth bag should be better. I have some work papers, but I also have my travel accessory pouch. Now you must have seen videos of this. Let me give you a truth. It looks very pretty when you open it, but all of this will come out. All of this will be everywhere. So what I've done, this is a velvet pouch, you know, like a jewelry pouch, and I just keep it like this so everything stays in place. Otherwise, trust me, these will be all over the place. So these are my accessories. Usually I don't carry extra earrings on layovers or something. So I know that these earrings go with everything. I have one Indian pair, one hoop and everything like that. But this is, yeah. I have some sunglasses. I always forget to carry them. So these are the sunglasses I'm carrying. They cover most of my face. So this is going to be good. These are my Diva sunglasses. I bought these from Zara a long time ago. And the case is from Zara as well. I have some Khatti Meethi Goli, Imli Goli, because I get motion sick very easily. So I need to have this on me all the time. Maybe I'll keep this somewhere that is accessible. Then I have an extra work watch. This is from Fast Track. I love Fast Track watches, guys. Just a standard formal watch. The current watch I'm wearing is like a rose gold watch from Fast Track. Also, guys, it's affordable. This is like, doesn't say the price, but it's affordable and it looks so amazing. I love Fast Track as a brand. Their sunglasses, watches, I just love it. Oh, these are glasses for COVID also. Like, these are transparent glasses for COVID. I just always carry them again, just in case COVID decides to come back, which it is. So beware, I guess. I always have a bag like this in case I plan to go shopping, and nowadays the bags are not cheap and free, so I always have one on me. Then this is my wire pouch I always carry. This is actually from Philips. I don't know, my mommy ji gave it to me, but I have my power bank, wires, just electronic things in here. So this can go here. I have another Khatti Meethi Goli, guys. I really get motion sick, okay? I think I'll keep this on the outside for emergency purposes. Actually, I'm loving this bag already. There's so much space. This is the tote bag that I plan to carry for all my flights. I always have this. I recently changed this because my other bag went in the sea. I was in New Zealand on a black sand beach, and my bag just got covered with the water and sand, so I had to throw it out. This is the bag I'm carrying. It doesn't have a zip, so I plan to go to the tailor and get a zip installed. But yeah, isn't this cute? I like it. It's a tie-dye bag. That's about it. I still have so much space. That's literally about it. And these clothes that I'll put later, but this is amazing. Okay, I'm very happy with this bag. Oh, my toiletry and makeup pouch are here. This is something that needs to go, and this is something that takes the most space. Wow, I have so much space. I'm very happy with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment below what kind of videos would you like to watch. Please follow me on Instagram. I just hit 10,000 like yesterday. We are at 10,000 followers. Woohoo! I post such regular reels there, so make sure to check them out. And I will see you guys in my next video. I'm so happy about this bag. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy travels. Happy 2024. See you in the next video. Bye.